Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view or see how much RAM or memory you have installed on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, you come back with settings, go ahead and open that up, and then select the system tile. And then scrolling down, you want to select About at the bottom of the menu on the left side. And then on the right side, it should tell you what your installed RAM or memory is right out front. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.